Hello, my student grade 4. How are you? Today we'll explain from your book, volume number 1, first term, mathematics, about multiplication and division, and we will take out the place value of the digits today. We will review first about multiplication and division. We know 3 times 4, it's equivalent 4 times 3. You remember it? Okay, today we'll explain generalize place value and understanding the value and place value digits, and we can write the number as expanded form, and also we can write one word form of the number name. We can write the name in the letters. Okay, start with me. You can reason solving a problem. Think about what you know about 10 bills to help you to find how much money you would have you had 10 100. So we know 10 times 100 equal 1000. We must add 110 times to get 1000. Next page. How do you decide how many zeros you needed to write in your answer? We can write 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. There are 3 zeros in 1000. In 1000 we have 3 zeros. Okay, understood? Next, we will solve now. Page number 1. Review with me. Vocabulary here. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are called what? Look at here, we called it whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, we called it whole numbers. Number writing use only words writing using what? We can write words, number name or word form. Replacing a number with a number that tells about how many or how much is called, we called it what? Rounded, okay, or rounding. And question number 4, space is the value given to the place. It's the place value. Place value reverse the value given to the place here. Place value, it's given to the place of a digit number. Place value like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So number 1, we have whole numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. We called it whole numbers. A number written as only words, we called it a number line. A number name called it word form. Replacing a number with a number that is about how many or how much is called rounding. And number 4, place value is the value given the place of a digit in a number. We can compare between two numbers here. We have 202 and 21. 201 is greater than 21 because we have here 3 digits. 313 equal to 313. 289 and 290. 289 less than 290. And 7 less than 70. 725 less than 726. 82 equal 82. 614 less than 641. 618 equals 618, and 978 is less than 987. Okay, we can compare it between two numbers because 9 equal 9 and 7 less than 8. Then you must look at left hand side to compare between two numbers. Question about this value. So if the underlying digit in the ones, tens, hundred, or thousands place, 9 here lies in thousands place. 0 in the ones and 0 here in the tens. Okay, write the answer here. And 1506, we have 0 lies in the tens and 8 here lies in the thousands. 5100, 1 here lies in hundreds and 2 here lies in thousands. Now we will round about 450 nearest to 500. We explain this example today about approximating to the left hand side. Look at the number 450 nearest to 500, like 42 nearest to 40, 32 nearest to 30, and so on. Okay, we can approximate the numbers. Okay, this example rounding. If a number greater than or equal to the half between two numbers, it's nearest to the greatest number. If the number less than half between two numbers, it's nearest to the smallest number. Okay, now we will talk about chart like this. Contains of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next place number through 1 million. We can read the number like this number here. Look at with me. 1,325,625. This number we called it 1,300,325,625. 325,625. 625. Okay, 1,325,625. You can write this number. We have 7 digits. We know 1 million is the smallest number contains of 7 digits. We called it 1 million. The smallest number contains of 7 digits. Million contains of 7 digits. 6 zeros and 1. 1 million. Okay. Open with me. We have millions. We can divide it. This number about 3 digits and 3 digits, and this part or this period we called it the million. We called it word form. We called word form name of the number. Number name. We called it number name, and this we called it standard form. This format we called it standard form, and here number name. And we can write expanded form. Expanded form about this number, write 1 million plus 300,000 plus 20,000 and also 5,000. 620 and 5. Okay, we called it expanded form. Okay, what about this example he give us? We can read this example which he give us in this example. 356,039. Okay, he write here 356,039. Okay, example here. Look for relations. What pattern exists in 3 places in each period? Look at here the solution about this example. We know it's combining between two numbers. Now we will write here this example. We solve it. Okay. Next page 6. Going to page 6. Look at with me about page 6. Where page 6? Like this. Page 5. Fill in, and the answer here about page number 6. Simple answer about this question. Each period has ones place, tens place, and 100 place going from right to left. Okay. Again, he asked about look for relations. What pattern excites in 3 places in each period? We can write each period has ones place, tens place, and 100 place going from right to left. You know this? Like what? Like this number? 4,325,261. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 period here. 1, 2, 3. 4,325,261. Okay. So in each period contains of ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. We have here thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So in each period we have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. So each period has ones place, tens place, and hundreds place going from right to left. Going next page. Now will give me questions. Example, you know, expanded form with this number. 21,125, 2,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Do you understand? Number 1, What do you know think about the comma in the number line or on the number? Sorry. Again, what do you know think about the comma in the number on the previous page? The comma here divided the number equality parts. So the comma, you can raise this answer. Okay. The comma has three numbers after it. The comma has three numbers after it, and it represents the thousands and ones period. Let's examine the last question. We have 21,125. This comma here refers to what, or represent or divided between the first group and second group. First period contains of ones, tens, hundred, and the next period contains of two digits, 21,000 here. So the comma has three numbers after it, and it separated the thousands and ones period. It's divided this number to parts equality. From left hand side to right hand side here, 21,125. 21,125. So the comma has three numerals after, or three numbers after it, and it separated or it divided thousands and ones period. Question number 2. Write an example of number line of a number that would include two comma. You can write any example as you like this number contains of two comma, like this number contains of two commas, as you can write 4,325,261. So the answer here like this, 1 million, on any number you like right here. Okay, next question number 3. Write this number in expanded form. You want to write this number 7,320 in expanded form. We can write 7,320. So the answer here will be 7,300 plus 20. We can write this number as expanded form. Okay. Question number 4. Write this number using number names. Okay, we'll write this number here. Okay, pay attention with me, my students. This number 55,426. 55,000 right here. 55,000. 55,426. 426. Okay, write this answer here. Okay, 55,426. Next 5. In recent year, 2 million. Okay, I will clear this question to see exactly. Okay, in recent year, 284,604 fans attended the hockey playoffs in Chicago. Okay, what digit in the thousand place in the number thousands place? It will be 4. 4 here lies in the where in the thousand place. Okay, because 4 here lies in the ones, 0 in the tens, 0 in the hundred place, 4 in thousands place, 8 in thousands place, 2 lies in 100,000 place. So the digit in the thousands place here will be 4. So the answer here will be 4. Okay. Next question. Write this number in expanded form. It's an easy question. You know the tips about expanded form. You can solve this by yourself. It's very easy. This number. Okay, I will give you a number like this, not this. Okay, because this solution here. Okay, like this. What is this number? 5,621. We can write 7,000 and 620 and 1. This number, right, in expanded form. And what about the number here? 294,160. Who can tell me the answer? First step, write 2 here, and behind it, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 9. And behind it, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. And also 4. and behind it 1 2 3 3 zeros, 4,000 and 1 behind it double zero, and 6 put 0, 200,000, 90,000, 4,160. Okay, next question. He won't write this number in word form or number name. Okay, we'll explain this number 1688. We can write 1688 1688. Okay, next question. We have 331,872. 872. Okay, we can write this number by word form or number name. Okay, write with me. 331,872. $331,872. Understood? Okay, next question. We have here 44,444. Here by right hand side the solution. Here you can write the answer here down. Okay, understood? Next question. Solving problems here. Question number 13. In 2000. Okay, if we here question number 12. Lita wrote 1,204 in a place value chart. What's the mistake did she make? Look at this number. We must write this number 200. Write with me 200. 204. Again 1,000. Look at here. 1,204. 1,204. This number we called it 1,204, but she wrote it false. She must put 4 in the ones, 0 in the tens, 200s, 1 right in the thousands place. So you must write the simple answer here. She wrote the 4 in the tens place instead of the ones place. She should have written 0 in the 10 place. She must write 0 in the tens place, but she put 4 in the tens place. It's not correct. Okay, she must write 4 in the ones, 0 in the tens, 2 in hundreds, 1 in thousands, because there are 0 tens in this number. So this answer, she wrote the number 4 in the tens place instead of in the ones place. She should have written 0 in the tens place because there are 0 tens in 1,204. Next question, number 2. 2016, the world's oldest tree was 5,066 years old. Write the number that is 100 more using number names. He must add 100 to the number. The number will be what? About question number 13. We have 5,066. We must add to 100. And the total number will be 5,166. So you can write in word form or number name. What's the name of the number? Name number. We can write 5,166. 5,166. Okay, 5,166. 5,166. Okay, this answer here you can write 5,166. Next question, number 14. Jessica wants to buy a new team jacket that costs $35. And Jessica says Jessica saves $5 a week for 4 weeks and a week for 3 weeks. $4 a week for 3 weeks. Will she have enough money to pay the team jacket? And explain. You can write the answer here. The total number will be 32. How? We can find the number here. We have 35. We know for Jessica saves 5 weeks for $5 a week for 4 weeks. We can write product between the number of weeks here 4, and she saves $5 in each week. So 4 times 5 equal 20. And also she saves $4 for 3 weeks. 4 product by 3 equal 12. In the sum of them, 20 plus 12, the result will be $32. Okay, this is the total. Understood? This was question number 14. Again, because Jessica want to buy a new team jacket, the cost of this jacket was $35. Jessica saves $5 a week for 4 weeks. The total will be 4 times 5 equal $20. Okay, and she also saves $4 a week for 3 weeks. 4 times 3 equal 12. This is the total number. 20 plus 12 equal $32. She saves what? $32. This is the simple answer. Jessica will only have 32 saved. Next question, vocabulary. Drew wrote following sentence. A period is a group of any 3 digit. The number. Do you agree with Drew? If not, how would you correct him? To find the answer about this question, we can write no. The simple answer here, Drew is correct. That period is a group of 3 digits. The 3 digits have been grouped by place value, such as ones, tens, and hundreds to make a period. Understood? Again, Drew wrote the following sentence. A period is a group of any 3 digits in a number? No, don't agree with him, because we must arrange. We must start from ones, tens, hundreds. Not write anything. Okay, the period is a group of 3 digits. It's order from, right, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, we can write no, but he correct about what's the number of elements of number of digits in any period. This period, we call it the period contains of ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, the period is a group of 3 digits, but the 3 digits have to be grouped by place value, such as ones, tens, and hundreds to make a period. Question number 16. Higher order thinking. 2 numbers have the same digit in this millions period, the same digit in the thousand period, and the same digit in the ones period. Do these 2 numbers have the same value? Explain. If the same digit appear in the same positions in both numbers, they have the same value. If any digit appear in a different position within a period, the 2 numbers don't have the same value. Understood this question? Again, 2 numbers have the same digit in the millions period. We know first, second, third. 3 periods. The first contains of 3 digits: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. If the same digits in a pair the same position in both numbers, they have the same value. and if any digit appear in a different position within the period, the two numbers don't have the same value, like 321,725, or we put here 3 only alone here, to bit it will be disappear, 3s it will be change. When I disappear the digits, the value will be disappear. We have 321,725, but if we add number 3 here plus 3 million, this number, the result will be 3,321,725. Okay, next question. Wallace writes the number here 72,204 in a place value chart. Select places that will be filled in chart. We have ones, tens, and we have thousands, tens thousands, hundred thousands. Okay, understood? We must check those, but we haven't here 100,000, so we can check ones, tens, thousands, ten thousands. Understood, my students? This example contains of 5 digits, 72,204. 4 lies in the ones, 0 in the tens, 2 in the thousands, in hundreds, 2 in thousands, 7, 10,000. But we haven't here hundreds, thousands, we haven't. Okay, so check it, ones, tens, thousands, 10,000s. Question 18. Select that are equal to 96,040. We can write the value of the digits here. First, we can write 96,814, or you can write also 90,824. The value of digit 1 here, it will be 10, and we have 4. And also we can write the last, we can divide it to period 96, right here 96,040. Okay, it's the value of the number, so you must check first and last one and number 1, 2, 3, 4. Check this, it's correct. Okay, ask it about expanded form correctly. Okay, next time I will explain this lesson, inshallah. Okay, understood, my students? You must study hard, and I will solve next lesson tomorrow. We'll talk about here these value relationships. Okay, goodbye.